English phrases explained. Understanding discount rack. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, discount rack. Whether you're shopping in a store or trying to understand everyday conversation, this phrase is something you'll encounter often. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily English. The term, discount rack, refers to a specific area in a store where items are sold at reduced prices. These items are often on sale for various reasons. They might be out of season, have minor defects, or the store might simply be trying to clear out old stock. The important thing to remember is that a discount rack offers lower prices than the rest of the store. The phrase, discount rack, comes from the combination of two words, discount, which means a reduction in price, and rack, a frame or shelf where items are displayed. Put together, it specifically refers to shelves or areas in a store where discounted items are kept. It's a term commonly used in retail environments. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. I found this beautiful dress on the discount rack. It was such a great deal. Can you check the discount rack for any size 8 shoes? The store usually puts last season's items on the discount rack. Notice how the phrase is used to describe where the item was found or to give directions within a store. In different countries, the term might vary. For instance, in some places, it might be called a clearance rack or a sale rack. However, the concept remains the same. It's a part of shopping culture in many English-speaking countries, and knowing this phrase can be really helpful when you're out shopping. And there you have it. You now know what discount rack means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these little phrases that make up daily conversation. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.